everyone, I am NHD Boyser. So today we will talk about the curriculum of Kinder to grade 3. Okay, so now let's start to the curriculum of Kinder. Okay, so unsa ang sulod sa curriculum sa Kinder? Okay, so kindly please read Miss Nuhapa. Okay, so thank you so much, Miss Nuhapa. Okay, so the kindergarten curriculum is designed to prepare young children, typically around 5 years old, for the transition to formal schooling. So, it aims to develop their foundational skills through play-based and experiential learning. Okay, so which means children learn best by doing. So, by doing unsa man sa pakikipaglaro, sa discovery, exploration, and social interaction. Curriculum sa kinder is focuses not only on academic preparation but also on the holistic development of the child. Okay, so isa na ni ang physical, emotional, social, moral, and cognitive. So it builds the essential foundation that children will need when they enter grade 1 and beyond. Now, ano na to kung unsa ang mga sulod sa curriculum sa kinder? Okay, so first is ang language literacy and communication. Okay, so what is language literacy and communication? Can you please read Miss Tilakan? Okay, so thank you so much, Miss Tilakan. Language is the foundation of all learning in this area. Children develop their ability to listen, speak, and express themselves clearly. Okay, so this one is nag-introduce di siya og basic reading and writing sa true fun and interactive activities such as storytelling, singing, rhymes, and picture read. Second is mathematics. Okay, so can you please read Miss Valerie? Okay, so thank you so much. Okay, so at the kindergarten level, ang mathematics nila is about helping children understand numbers, shapes, patterns, sizes, and relationships. So, I know na niagi man taani. So, naabay statistic probability sa kinder. So, wala. So, about ra sa mga shapes, sa mga sizes, no? So, true hands-on and play-based experience. Okay, so, ang goal ani is not memorization, but to understand and enjoyment. So, dili siya memorization, no? So, dili ang goal ani ang memorization but to understand and enjoyment. So, like for example is through games. So, like puzzle. So, and like real life situations like mag-share og mga foods and also arranging. Third is understand the physical and natural environment. Okay, so can you please read the Serbang I? Okay, so this learning area is naga-nurtures ni siya sa mga bata about sa curiosity about their environment. Okay, so it helps them to understand the world through observations, cooperation, and inquiry. Okay, so say like for example is ang mga bata is naga-learn about plants, animals, weather, seasons, water, landforms, and other natural phenomena. Okay, so, and also, diri na is magsugod ng mag-develop ng ilahang awareness of carrying sa ato nga environment. Fourth is physical health and motor development. Okay, so can you please read the Miss Shalami Kaula? Okay, so thank you so much, Miss Shalami. Okay, so this area focuses on developing children's physical abilities, health, and wellness. So it includes activities such as strengthened both gross motor skills. So motor skills like for example is like running, jumping, throwing, and fine motor skills like holding a pencil and cutting. So And also ang children is ginatudloan pud siya og proper hygiene, okay, such as ang safety, nutrition, and healthy habits. So lastly is socio-emotional development. Can you please read Ms. Jeremy Ubat? Okay, so thank you so much. Okay, so socio-emotional learning is central to a child's overall growth. So it involves teaching children how to manage emotions, how to build relationships, and interact respect with others. Okay, so in this area, children learned about values such as cooperation, honesty, respect, empathy, and self-control. And now, I'm done to my part. So, ang mag-continue ani og report is the other reporters.